G'day, this is Taj from Wade Phyllis Kia Ranella doing the video on the 2018 Kia Sportage SI Premium in the diesel. Fantastic looking car, but very well looked after. As you can see, the alloys are in perfect condition. Plenty of life left on the tires. Moving around the car. So it comes with the Sportage carpet mats. Go into your service history. Looks like it was bought from New Spot there at Main North Road. Go into your service history. So service there at New Spot. Then it moved to Barassa Kia. Then moved to Wayne Phyllis. So the last few services looks like it's all been done at Wayne Phyllis. And then we've done our service and safety sticker on there as well. So next service isn't due till January of 25. Moving to the back. So been very well looked after. Has venting in the back as well with USB connections. Again, alloys are in great condition. Plenty of life left on the tires. Moving around the car, so it has your reverse sensors and your reversing camera. Still with new car warranty till 2025. Has your boot scuff protector. Plenty of room there in the back. Full size spare with your alloy. Again, moving around the car. Alloys are in perfect condition. Put your back seats there. Now we'll go into the car and turn it on. So it's got 59,855 Ks. Has your maps with your sat nav. Big reversing camera there for you. You've got your dual climate control as well. Center diff lock for towing downhill assist. Has your cruise control with your Bluetooth. Very nice. Just moving around the car. Again, alloys are in perfect condition. Paint's been very well looked after. Beautiful looking car. Well, my name is Taj from Wayne Phyllis Kia Ranella. I will chat to you soon. Thank you.